Take a deep breath and invite God into the broken places of your heart. Psalms 147 verse 3. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Now as you hear this, speak it boldly and let every part of your being receive His healing touch. Lord, I come before you today, acknowledging the brokenness within me. Every hurt, every scar, every wound that has left me feeling incomplete, I bring it to you. Heal every broken part of me, Lord, from the depths of my soul to the corners of my heart. Father, I ask you to mend the pieces I cannot fix on my own. Where there is pain, bring peace. Where there is sorrow, bring joy. Where there is fear, bring courage. Restore the shattered parts of my mind, body, and spirit. I declare that no past pain, no trauma, no betrayal has power over the wholeness you have for me. I am not defined by the brokenness I have experienced. I am being made new in you. Lord, touch every area of my life that feels empty or wounded. Heal my relationships, my thoughts, my emotions, my body, and my spirit. Pour your light into every shadow within me. Let your love cover every exposed, hurting part of my heart. I speak restoration over my mind. I cast out confusion, anxiety, and every thought that tries to steal my peace. I claim clarity, understanding, and the mind of Christ. I am renewed and transformed by your word. I speak healing over my body. Any sickness, pain, or weakness, I command it to leave. I declare strength, vitality, and divine health. Every cell in my body responds to your healing power. I speak comfort over my emotions. Lord, remove every trace of fear, doubt, anger, and despair. Fill me with your perfect peace. Let joy rise in me even in the midst of challenges. I speak reconciliation over my soul. Bind up the wounds caused by hurtful words, broken trust, and painful experiences. Restore my capacity to love, forgive, and walk in grace. I declare wholeness over every area of my life. I am complete in you. Every broken part is being restored. I am healed, restored, and strengthened. Lord, I receive your healing power now. I embrace your love as it flows through every weak and wounded part of me. Nothing is too broken for your touch. Every tear, every cry, every sigh is heard by you, and you are turning it into beauty and strength. I declare freedom from pain. I release every burden I have carried for too long. I am free from the chains of past hurt. I am healed. I am whole. And I am filled with your spirit. Every broken part of me is being made new. I will not remain in the shadows of my past. I walk forward in the light of your love. I am renewed, refreshed, and restored. Lord, continue your work in me until every corner of my heart, mind, and body reflects your perfect design. I declare that nothing broken remains untouched. Your healing is complete in my life. This is our declaration, and we speak it in faith. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. No matter how broken things feel today, God is already working to make you whole. Trust Him, rest in Him, and receive His healing. Now, if this declaration spoke to your heart, type Amen in the comment section as a sign of your faith. And if this message blessed you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss another moment of prayer and declarations. God bless you.